Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Paragraph. My favorite bird for class 7. My favorite bird. My favorite bird is sparrow. Every morning when I wake up, I see the sparrow playing in the tree outside my window. I have been hearing its sound ever since I was a child, so it has become my favorite bird. The sparrow has a brown and white body with a tiny head. This makes it a lovely and sweet bird. It has a short, strong and sharp beak, which helps it to collect food and make nests in trees and in the corners of the houses. It likes to live in ventilators of a house. Where it builds its home, it gathers tiny and light material for its home. It eats insects and worms. I hope Mr. Sparrow continues to visit my window every of my life. Thank you.